Children, welcome back to my class. So today I am going to teach you fourth worksheet, and before that let me say you one thing. 3 worksheets we have practiced, right? So based on that, these bits are there, you have to write without seeing. Okay, practice worksheet 1, page number 30 to 33. 34. Okay, till here you have to complete without seeing. Do by your own how much you have understood. Let us check. Okay, now let us start. Fourth worksheet, ants, page number 35. M-A-N-Y, many, A-N-T-S, ants, L-I-V-E, live, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together, I-N, in, G-R-O-U-P-S, groups. Many ants live together in groups. As you can see, these are ants. E-A-C-H, each, G-R-O-U-P, group, I-S is C-A-L-L-E-D, called a C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony. Each group is called a colony. Group of ants is called a colony. Here, A-N-T-S, ants, W-O-R-K, work, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together, A-N-D, ant, M-A-K-E, make, a H-O-M-E, home. Here, ants work together and make a home. T-H-E-Y, they, M-A-K-E, make, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special, R-O-O-M-S, rooms, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, T-H-E, the, C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony. They make special rooms inside the colony. T-H-E-R-E, there, I-S is a, R-O-O-M, room, F-O-R, for, C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-N-G, collecting, F-O-O-D, food. There is a room for collecting food. T-H-E-R-E, there, I-S is A-L-S-O, also a, R-O-O-M, room, F-O-R, for, B-A-B-Y, baby, A-N-T-S, ants. There is also a room for baby ants. The ants, A-L-S-O, also do a lot, L-O-T, lot of W-O-R-K, work. The ants also do a lot of work. Some, S-O-M-E, some, A-N-T-S, ants, K-W-E-P, keep, T-H-E, the, C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Some ants keep the colony clean. Some ants go out, O-U-T, out, and F-I-N-D, find, F-O-O-D, food. Some ants go out and find food. O-T-H-E-R, other ants, A-N-T-S, ants, are F-I-G-H-T-E-R-S, fighters. Other ants are fighters. T-H-E-Y, they, K-W-E-P, keep, the, C-O-L-O-N-Y, colony, S-A-F-E, safe. They keep the colony safe. M-O-S-T, most, A-N-T-S, ants, can bite, B-I-T-E, bite. Most ants can bite. T-H-E-Y, they, B-I-T-E, bite, W-H-E-N, when, T-H-E-Y, they, F-I-G-H-T, fight. They bite when they fight. Okay. So all the other ants are fighters. They keep the colony safe, and most ants can bite when they fight. Okay. Now let us see. Choose the correct answer. First one, ants live in groups, in pairs, or by themselves. In groups. A option is correct. Second, there are special rooms for food and baby ants, or all ants. B option is correct, baby ants. Third, ants called fighters fight each other, keep the colony safe, or bite other ants in their colony. Yes, option B, keep the colony safe. B bit. There are 2 words used to describe a colony in the text. What are they? Colony, other meaning we are having. So what are those 2 words? Group, G-R-O-U-P, group, H-O-M-E, home. Okay, C bit. Have you ever seen ants walk in a line? Draw a picture of a line of ants in your notebook. You have to draw this ants picture in the homework part, pin page side. Okay, children. Now, vocabulary. Color this little bear using these colors. As you can see here, little bear carrying 2 balloons. So you have to color these balloons blue and yellow, eyes black, face brown, t-shirt is red, and grass is green. Okay, children. Next bit. Grammar part. The words which tells us where a person, an animal or a thing is called a preposition of place. What are the preposition of place here? On, in, under are prepositions. So this rat is inside the box. So in the box, in. The rat is on the box. So on. Then the rat is under, under the box. Now based on that you have to circle. Where is the mouse? Circle the correct word. So where is the mouse? In or under? Yes, in option is correct. You have to circle. Second, on or in? Yes, on the television. On you have to circle. Third, in or under? Yes, under the flower. Under. You have to circle. Fourth one, under or on? Yes, on the guitar. Fifth, on or in? Yes, in the bag. Sixth, in or on? Yes, on the cat. B-bit. Read these sentences and add these things to the picture on the next page. The plate is on the table. Table, table. Plate, plate. The plate is on the table. Second, there is a cloud. Cloud, cloud. Behind behind the sun. There is a cloud behind the sun. So you have to draw in this picture, okay? Third one, the picture is above the cradle. Cradle, cradle. So the picture you have to draw. Fourth one, the fish is in the bowl of water. BOWL, bowl. OF of WATER, water. The fish you have to draw in the bowl, okay? Fifth, the book is on the floor. FLOOR, floor. The book you have to draw here on the floor. First one, what he has given? The plate is on the table. On the table you have to draw one plate here, okay? Then comes, there is a cloud behind the sun. Then behind the sun you have to draw cloud. Okay children? Next, punctuation. Use full stops and capital letters in the correct places. Starting letter should be capital and at the end of the sentence you have to keep full stop. Okay? It, it is a funny, 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 BOOK, book, full stop. Second, MY, my, capital, M capital. My brother does his homework, HOME, work, full stop. Third, THE, the capital, eagle flies in the sky, full stop. Fourth, MY, my, M capital, father cooks dinner, 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 full stop. Fifth, my friend is taller than me, M capital, my friend is taller, TALLER, taller than me, full stop. Sixth, I capital can walk to the park from my house, 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 full stop. Writing part. Look at these pictures, reorder the words and write the complete sentence. First one, drinks Kitty milk. So you have to write Kitty drinks milk, KITTY, Kitty, DRINKS, drinks, MILK, milk. Second, Mika cake eats. So you have to arrange in proper. MIKA, Mika, EATS, eats, CAKE, cake. Mika eats cake. Next. Third, a book father reads. First comes father, 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 READS, reads a BOOK, book. Fourth, drinks tea grandfather. So grandfather, GRAND, grand, FATHER, father, grandfather, DRINKS, drinks, TEA, tree, tea. Grandfather drinks tea. Fifth, eats Alka a mango, ALKA, Alka, EATS, eats a MANGO, mango. Alka eats a mango. Okay children, so that's all. We have completed the fourth worksheet. Please try to complete the bits which I have given you. This bit you have to draw the picture, okay, and here you have to draw the ants here in the notebook part, homework book, okay, and you have to color this picture. Use crayons or color pencils only, okay. So till that time, take care, bye bye.